Alright, thanks for being in the box break. It's for the 2011 Bowman Sterling mini box break. Topps logos sealed. Current time, we're going to do a little bit earlier today because everyone's already paid. 2:04. Today's the 19th, and this is for the eBay auction that ended on the 18th. So we got a list of everyone who's in the break. Got a list of the rules. Let's get in it. So, good luck to all the teams. Everyone's all paid up, obviously. One pack. 3 hits, I believe. And it looks like we have a 1/1, so that's a pretty big card coming up here, the very last one. This one is a Casey Matthews Eagles rookie card. Eagles were won by AMELANCON 80 2012. Next regular card. Julius Thomas. This is numbered 292 of 299. Julius Thomas plays for the Broncos. The Broncos were won by same person. So we got two base cards, one of them numbered. The next card's actually the auto, so I'm going to try to flip it to the back here. There we go. So there again, there's a Julius Thomas. First hit, Titus Young, jersey, Lions wide receiver. Lions were won by Spirit of Elijah 2010. Congratulations. And the next card, I believe, is a 1/1. So, let's see. We'll just go to the 1/1 and save the auto for last. I think it's a 1/1. Looks like a 1/1. There's a patch, 2 color. Let's see who it is. I can't even make it out. Greg Salas, wide receiver for the St. Louis Rams. So the Rams picked up by some Steen Jim. And this team actually didn't sell, he just picked them up. So thanks for picking them up, and you're going to get a 1/1 out of it. So that's pretty cool. And the auto will be next. It will be a Houston Texan, Terrence Tolliver. Rookie card, this one's not numbered. So the Houston Texans were won by Texans. Again, AMELANCON 80 2012. So, thanks for being in the break, everybody. Again, all the cards are in good shape. I have listings ending tonight, and here you go. Here's a 1/1, so that's pretty cool. I don't know how great the camera is in picking up the 1/1 symbol, but it's right there, 1/1. So I'll be shipping you a 1/1, buddy. And it's really thick, and all the cards are in great shape. So thanks for being in the break. Check out my other listings.